What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to help you guys out with the preparing for your exams if you have one. So right now I'm just going to show you an example that could be subjective. If you're living in abroad US, you can have a different curriculum, you can have different books that you're going through, different research papers, and the whole curriculum could be very different from where I live in. So I'm going to go ahead and show an example. So I have an exam in 3 days, Pakistan Studies, 9th class, PTP. Help me with all the, past paper, their record, the questions that repeat in most time you must plan to maximum results. So it's gonna go ahead research about the 9th class PTB board Pakistan studies, and I have asked to research about the past papers, their patterns of the questions, which questions come. So very often back and forth every 1 or 2 years, and let's plan to get maximum result with the smart way. So it's researching about the papers over here, going through a lot, and in a few seconds it will be able to get all the data that is required for me to get help with that paper. So with that exam, so it's pretty easy, pretty simple. You don't have to be very prompt engineer in order to get the best prompt. You need to be specific for what you are heading for. If you're just going to tell him, hey, I have exams for my final board exams for the 9th class, you know, and you won't tell it like I'm studying box studies. I want the past papers to be included in the way and approach for it. So here you guys can see that it has come back with the research paper pattern, Punjab board objective comes with 12 marks, all this stuff, and so chapter wise weightage typically, chapter one the ideology basic. So these are the patterns, and now we're gonna go with the most repeated long questions, highly probability. These are the questions from chapter one that are highly probable that it's gonna come in this year exam, and I can prepare myself using these questions. That these are not the a bunch of 100 question list that I cannot prepare. These are the 5 questions from chapter one, 5 from each chapter, even 2 questions from chapter number 5. So I can prepare myself very well from these ones. And one quick question to tailor further. It says if you're working in English medium, I'm just going to go with it. I'm just going to go with this, and it will precisely measure it and then give me the response. This is how you guys can prepare yourself as well for the exams. Best of luck for the exams. See you in the next one.